I'm going to be using the dummy scalp for this wig, and I'm going to be making a closure wig. Guys, stay tuned over this video. So don't forget to stretch the back of the wig cap. So this is my closure, and whenever you're putting the closure on the wig cap, make sure that you bring the hair above the wig cap. Pin the closure to lie flat so that it will be easy for you to sew. So I'm going to sew the closure on the wig cap.
Let's start our work. Let's work here.
So I'm going to put the hair on where I want to start my sewing. I'm going to put it on top of the elastic band, and guys, make sure you do not sew through the elastic band. Always make sure that when you're sewing, you don't sew through the elastic band. So when I'm starting with the sewing, I'll make sure I double the starting point and then seal it to secure it. I'm going to continue sewing the wig. When I get to this point, I'm going to fold the hair to continue the sewing. So I'll be filling the part where I left enough space. I'm going to go ahead and cut the wig cap under the closure lace to make the lace transparent. My wig is now ready, so guys, I'm going to be styling and cutting the hair. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do well to subscribe, share this video. And guys, if I missed anything in this video, be assured that you're going to get every details in my next video. I had problem with my camera, so I have to be cutting some off, but I can assure you that in my next wig video you're going to get all the steps. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. So I'll be straightening and then cutting the hair. Anytime you're cutting the hair, you should consider one thing, that is, whenever you're cutting the hair, the starting point should always be shorter than the next and then the next. So the first cut should be shorter than the next cut. I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. So the first cutting that I made should be shorter than this next, and it should follow that routine. Or better still, you have to cut everything equally, so the cutting all should be equal.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh,
I'm going to put some mousse on the hair to relax it. Guys, go ahead and spray the hair, and this is how it turned out to be. Thank you so much for watching my video.